Well, welcome back to the Tennessee Frugal Craftsman. I'm in the process of making some 2x10s and some 2x12s over there. I've got 10 here and I've got about 12 2x12s over there. And I got some 2x9s and some 2x4s, some more here. I am working through turning these this rough lumber into some more usable lumber. Taking them off this pile over here. This is my 5th pile. So if you just joined me, there was a pile of boards here, 8-foot stuff I did. There was another pile there I did. There was a pile of studding there, another pile of studding over in that area. And now I'm on this pile of kind of random, it's 2x10s, 2x12s, 2x9s, which are ceiling stringers. So 2x8s, what I'm making into 2x4s. And so I'm slowly picking away at the pile there where the basement's going to be, and finishing them and getting them stacked over out of the way over here, get them ready for grading. So I thought maybe you'd want to come along with me for a little bit today and do a little bit of, I call it another 4-step process of getting my 2x12s and 2x10s ready for grading. So I start with the rough form, and we're going to put those through the planer. We'll do a little bit of it here. You don't have to come along for all of it. so the first two steps are done. I have planed the two sides. I have straightened the top edge of this so it's fairly straight. Now I'm going to put that straight edge against the guide and run it through the table saw. Okay, now I'm going to square the edges. Okay, I don't know whether it caught the very last end of that. I was just squaring off the edges. So I won't talk through the next one, we'll just do it. Okay, averaging about 13-14 minutes a piece. Takes time, but finished product is very nice. Nice and straight for the most part. Smooth, all sized. Then I just take the tractor when I get it loaded, take it over, and drop it on the piles, and cover it for the night. So I am working away at this one day at a time. As always, I appreciate you joining me. I know it's a lot of what I call rinse and repeat for the next several days, if not a couple weeks. Rinse and repeat to get this stuff done. So, but some of you have been asking, you know, is it worth the effort and the time? Yeah, long term, I know what I have for material, and it's sweat equity I have into my property. I don't, like I said, I don't have to work elsewhere. Think about it. If you got to buy a 2x12, probably going to spend close to $30 or more now at the price of them, maybe more. You've got to go, you've got to work, you've got to pay your taxes on it, which is not going to be the full $30. The government's going to take their share. And then, like I said, you got to go make the money. This way, I'm putting the time into my property. I've got to clear some of this property anyway, so the effort that I'm putting into it will actually ultimately go into the house. So every piece that I'm cranking out here, like I said, you know, every 15 minutes or so, every piece, that's money in my pocket. So anyway, appreciate you joining me as always. If you would, please like and subscribe. Until next time, you have a great day.